Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set notification volume in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zello app, and here it opens up in the context menu. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap on options, then on notifications. And at the very top, we find the slider, alerts volume. And here we can just slide to the right or to the left to set it to the volume that we want to have our notifications delivered in. So if we want to have louder notifications, we slide it to the right, and if we want to have quieter notifications, we slide it to the left. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.